Hi there, welcome to our channel FleetTech. In this video, we'll talk about how to enable ReadyBoost in Windows 11. So for this, first step is plug in ReadyBoost device. Connect the USB flash drive or SD card that meets the minimum requirements, that is at least 256 MB of free space and a read speed of at least 2.5 Mbps. The second step is select File Explorer from the taskbar. Now locate the USB drive or SD card in the File Explorer window and right click on it. Now choose Properties from the content menu. From here, navigate to ReadyBoost tab. Click on the option Use this device to enable ReadyBoost. Now, Windows will then prompt you to confirm that you want to use the device for ReadyBoost and may suggest the optimal amount of space to dedicate. Click on OK to finalize the setup. Windows will then create a ReadyBoost cache file on the USB drive. So this is it for today's video. I hope you like it. If you have any question, please comment down below and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.